All right, let's whip up a super simple, crazy, delicious jerk chicken meal with flatbread and a fresh salad all at home and all in just a few steps. First, let's talk chicken. I'm using thighs because they stay juicy and pack in more flavor. Grab about 4 thighs, skinless and boneless if you can. Now, for that classic jerk punch, you can either use a store-bought jerk marinade or make your own with a quick blend of scallions, garlic, ginger, thyme, allspice, chili, and a squeeze of lime. A splash of oil and a pinch of salt, then blitz it together. Rub that marinade all over the chicken thighs, don't be shy. The more you get in there, the better the flavor. I like to let it sit for at least 30 minutes, but overnight is king if you've got time. While the chicken's marinating, let's do flatbread. This is way easier than you think. In a big bowl, mix a cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and a splash of warm water. Drizzle in a bit of oil, then mix until it comes together. Knead it for a couple of minutes until it's smooth, then let it rest. Now for the salad, keep it simple and fresh. I usually go with chopped lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and maybe some red onion. Splash on some olive oil, a squeeze of lime or lemon, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a toss, and boom, salad's done. Back to the chicken. Heat up a grill pan or a regular frying pan on medium-high. Cook your chicken thighs for about 6 minutes on each side. You want those nice char marks and the inside cooked through. If you've got an outdoor grill, even better. While the chicken's sizzling, finish those flatbreads. Divide your dough into small balls, roll them out thin, and toss them in a hot, dry pan. About a minute per side, you'll see them puff up and get a little golden. Stack them under a towel to keep them soft. All right, let's plate up. Grab a warm flatbread pile on that juicy jerk chicken, add a heap of your fresh salad, and if you've got any yogurt or a spicy sauce, a little drizzle on top never hurts. And there you have it. A vibrant, tasty jerk chicken meal with homemade flatbread and a crisp salad, all done in under half an hour if you hustle. Perfect for a quick dinner or a weekend treat. Give it a shot and let me know how yours turns out. Thanks for hanging out and cooking with me. If you want more easy meal ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Catch you next time.